for coming. I want to start by asking you a simple question. What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be rich.
You want to be rich?
Yes.
I love that suggestion.
I want to be an English teacher.
An English teacher? That's a terrible idea. Don't do that. Because you will never be rich.
I want to speak fluently than Western people.
You want to speak more fluently than Western people?
Yeah.
Oh, good luck. What would you like to do in the future?
I want to travel around the world.
Oh, that's great. What is the first place you want to go?
I'm planning to Abu Dhabi
Oh.
in July.
You're going to Abu Dhabi in July. It will be very hot. Amy, what would you like to do?
Okay, I want to buy a very big house with a very big garden in the future.
I see. Okay, well, I wish you good luck. Today we're talking about the future. Specifically, we're talking about your goal for the future. Okay, it's your goal. A goal is something you want to do in the future. You want to buy a big house, you want to go to Abu Dhabi, you want to be poor, you want to be rich. Those are all good goals. Everyone has their own goals. So to achieve your goal, achieve means accomplish or attain your goal. So achieve your goal. I want to help everybody today achieve your goal. To do that though, we need to talk about some problems you might have. A problem that you might have that will stop you from your goal. So why can't you be rich tomorrow, Caroline?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so what do you need to do to be rich?
Get a lot of money.
Yeah, you don't have enough money to be rich. That's a big obstacle. An obstacle is a problem that stops you from achieving your goal. So we need to solve this problem. We need a solution. A solution is the answer to your problem. It solves your obstacle. Okay, so that's what we're going to focus on today. We're going to focus on talking about your plan for the future and also giving advice about how to solve obstacles. So let's start with a very simple example. We have Caroline. Her goal is to become very rich. Right?
Yes.
Okay, your money is on top of this mountain. You are here at the bottom. Okay, that's you. You want to go to the top to get that money. The problem is, there is a very hungry tiger in the way. No, it's a tiger. It's a tiger's head. Okay. So you want to go to the top. So we need to help her find solutions. Her obstacle is the tiger. Her goal is the money. So we need to find a solution. What can she do?
Kill the tiger.
Kill the tiger. How? With her hands?
Of course not.
No?
Maybe by a gun.
A gun. Okay. You need to go to America first. Okay. What else can she do? There's always more than one solution. Punch the tiger. Do you think you could punch a tiger?
No.
Okay, I will suggest something. I suggest going around the mountain to the other side, and so you don't have to go around the tiger. You just go around the tiger. Okay, so that's kind of what we're going to work with today, thinking of solutions and giving advice. All right, so let's do another example. Let's talk about giving advice, because this is going to be a basic skill. Here are some sentences you can use to give advice. One way to give advice is to frame your advice as a question. Now, this is not a real question. This is actually a kind of suggestion. So you can say, maybe you can go around the mountain, or maybe you can shoot the tiger. Okay, so those are some examples. Another way to give advice, you can also use the words I suggest. And this is not a question, but this is a statement. The verbs in these two sentences are going to be a little bit different. Maybe you can verb. Maybe you can make friends with the tiger. Maybe pet the tiger. I suggest verb ing. I suggest running away, or I suggest finding money somewhere else. So those are all suggestions. So we're going to practice a little bit of these. Let's practice this one a little bit. Caroline, can you give a suggestion using maybe you can? And this is about the tiger.
Maybe you can touch
The tiger. Very good. Jane, can you use this one, please?
I suggest going around the market.
Very good. Okay. Excellent. So this is pretty clear. Faye, it's your turn.
Maybe you can shoot the tiger.
Yeah, maybe.
I suggest kissing the tiger
Kissing the tiger?
and making friends with him.
Making friends with him? Okay. You might make a meal for him, but that's okay. Make him very happy. Okay, so let's move on to the book. Okay, let's go to page 4. On page 4 we have Mr. Joe. Mr. Joe is going to talk about his plans for the future. Okay. So I want to do a little bit of reading practice. Who wants to read first? Oh, trick question. It's you, Jane. Aha, okay. Thank you for volunteering. Jane, please begin.
Joe's life is going to change very soon. His wife,
Wei Shen.
Wei Shen, is going to have twins in July. His parents are going to come from China to live in the United States. He's happy, but his apartment will be too small for everyone. He needs a better job, but his boss won't promote him because he didn't have a college degree.
Okay, let's stop right there for a second. Let's talk about Mr. Joe and his goals. What's one goal so far?
Be a larger.
He wants to buy a larger house. Okay. Buy a bigger house. And I think to buy a bigger house he needs more money. What does he need to do to get more money?
need a better job.
Yeah, he needs a promotion. Get a promotion. Okay, the third goal is in the second paragraph. Caroline, can you read the second paragraph, please?
Joe has 3 goals. When his parents come to the United States, he will buy a house large enough for 2 families. His father will work and help pay for the house. His mother will help take care of the children. Then Joe has to go to nice school and get his bachelor's degree. When he graduates, he will apply for a new position at work. He will work hard to
Achieve.
his goal.
Okay, very good. So we know he has buy a bigger house, get a promotion. What's the third one? Oh, how is he going to get his promotion? Why can't he get a promotion?
He doesn't have a college degree.
That's right. So his third goal is to get a degree. Okay. So we know his 3 goals, and they're all related to each other. So first thing he wants to do, his first goal is to buy a bigger house. What is his obstacle? Money. Yeah, you need money. Okay. Solution, get a promotion, right? What's the obstacle?
He doesn't have
He doesn't have
a bachelor's degree.
a bachelor's degree. Solution, go to night school and get a bachelor's degree. Very easy, right? Okay, so we now have a clear idea of his goals and his obstacles and his solutions. Let's go to page 5. Okay, we need to cut. I meant to say page 6.